Welcome back to our English learning quiz on YouTube. In this video, we will test your knowledge of word forms. Are you ready to challenge yourself? Let's get started. Question 1. Which of the following is a noun form of the verb to amaze? A noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. The noun form of to amaze is amazement. For example, the audience watched in amazement as the acrobat performed daring stunts. Question 2. What is the adjective form of the noun adventure? An adjective is a word that describes or modifies a noun or pronoun. The adjective form of adventure is adventurous. For example, we went on an adventurous hike through the mountains. Question 3. What is the adverb form of the adjective frequent? An adverb is a word that describes or modifies a verb, adjective, or other adverb. The adverb form of frequent is frequently. For example, I frequently visit my family in another state. Question 4. Which of the following is the verb form of the adjective perfect? A verb is a word that expresses an action or a state of being. The verb form of perfect is perfection. For example, I strive for perfection in everything I do. Question 5. What is the noun form of the verb to communicate? The noun form of to communicate is communication. For example, effective communication is important for building strong relationships. Great job! You have completed our English learning quiz on word forms. We hope you found it helpful and informative. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more quizzes and videos on English language learning. See you in the next video.